Python language. Python is an interpreted, high-level, general-purpose programming language. Why use Python? Python is an easy-to-learn, powerful programming language. It has efficient high-level data structures and simple but effective approach to object-oriented programming. The Python interpreter is easily extended with new functions and data types implemented in C or C++. Python is an interpreted language, which can save you considerable time during program development because no compilation and linking is necessary. Python's expansive library of open-source data analysis tools, web frameworks, and testing instruments make its ecosystem one of the largest out of any programming community. Python is just the language for you. If you do much work on computers, eventually you find that there's some task you'd like to automate. For example, you may wish to perform a search and replace over a large number of text files or rename and rearrange a bunch of photo files in a complicated way. Perhaps you'd like to write a small custom database or a specialized GUI application or a simple game. Maybe you confused an interpreter and compiler. Interpreter. In computer science, an interpreter is a computer program that directly executes instructions written in a programming or scripting language without requiring them previously to have been compiled into a machine language program. Compiler. In computing, a compiler is a computer program that translates computer code written in one programming language into another language. The name compiler is primarily used for programs that translate source code from a high-level programming language to a lower-level language to create an executable program. Subscribe us for more learning. And don't forget to like this video.